Hello, dear friends. Life coach V.K. Chaudhry will be discussing today some points which will inspire you all through the day, all through the month, all through the year. How we can do it? We can do it with our morning rituals. Yes, wake up early, sleep early. Gratitude to Almighty. Drink at least 1 liter hot water, lukewarm you can say, and then go for nature's call. Come and have your affirmations. Then your morning exercises routine. It is most important. Then you can chant your mantras or some meditation. Whatever you like, whatever you are doing, do it. And after that, write your to-do list. What you have to do all through the day. If you are a student, make your college time, study time, everything you do it. Utilize your time beautifully. My dear friends, we have to be with our family, love for our parents and elders, have good relationship. It is going to give you a good boost. Do meditation. Meditation is going to give you some self-confidence, which is must for our life, We have to pray to God, yes, to give us some wonderful thought process so that you can make your life great, successful. We need to give services to the people. Giving is blessing. Just try. It will come back to you. Love all unconditionally. Husband, wife, friendship, every love is there. But if you do unconditional, means you are not expecting anything, then that is greatness. My dear friends, skill development is key to success. Are you reading books? Or are you seeing big TV programs? Smart people read books daily, maybe 5 pages, 10 pages. Just have practice and enjoy the fun. I have read 48 books in last 2.5 years, and now I am feeling very happy. When you are traveling a lot, you can hear audiobooks on non-fictional topics. They give you insight of your life, what you are doing, what you can do, and they add value to your life. Guys, don't avoid walking in nature. I am going daily in morning or evening on the bank of a river near me, seeing all greenery, going once in hillside. Just see the creativity of God. He will feel happy and you will feel energized. All through the day, you will feel yourself more and more energetic. And when you are more energetic, you will be doing great wonders in your day-to-day office, business, or family matters. Write something, write your story, write a book. I have written last year, love your life, because if we love our life, we love total creativity of Almighty. Try to travel maximum wherever you can. Have good communication power. It is going to make you more and more friends. And these days, for last 2.5 months, I am going on Clubhouse App, wonderful app, and it is used by so many people these days. They learn, they educate nationally and internationally. Great app. And in the end, I would say, my dear friends, gratitude to Almighty. He has given you everything. Rich mindset. Rich mindset is going to take you above sky. No limit. You will be unstoppable. So with these things, we will be making our life successful, and we will be having our inspiring nature, which will be helping to nearby your friends, team members, family, everywhere. So all the best till next video. Thank you very much. See you.